What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This video was pretty messy to film, so if you can, go ahead and hit that like button as well, just saying. Today I'm gonna be adding some random stuff into slime to see if it will actually slime and like stay together in the slime or just completely melt the slime. Who knows? I know RainbowPlaymaker does this a lot. She's like the queen of Will It Slime videos, so I will make sure to link her channel down in the description box below so y'all can check out all of her Will It Slime videos because she's done a million. I love RainbowPlaymaker. I know y'all will too. I wanted to take the challenge a little further and test out these items with different types of slime textures, so it's gonna be a little bit different. This video was super messy, but I'm really excited for you all to see, so let's get started, shall we? So in our first Will It Slime test, we are going to be testing out a bath bomb from Lush. This one is super cute. It looks like a turtle and it smells really good. Now let's see if this baby will slime. I have 2 8 ounces of these clear slimes here that are slightly melted, so I figured that would be perfect for this because I kind of wanted it to act as water and see if the bath bomb will activate in the slime. And so we're just gonna plop that in. And wait. And wait. And wait. Literally nothing happened, y'all. I was so disappointed, so I decided just to take matters into my own hands and add some activator along the edge because that is water, basically a liquid, and it activated the bath bomb, and so it was super cool. I really didn't know if that would work or not. Enjoy this ASMR because it's lovely. Hands down, my favorite part of this video is actually watching it sped up because this is super cool just watching all those bubbles. If you have trypophobia, then you probably won't like this part, and I'm so sorry. Now that we got the bath bomb going, it is time to add it all the way in, honey. Go hard or go home. So I just pushed that little sucker down in the slime and see what happened. So at the time of filming this video, I was really shocked that the bath bomb was not melting the slime completely. I just figured there would be something in it that would totally melt this slime, but then it hit me while I was editing, like literally right now. Bath bombs are made with baking soda, and baking soda is used to activate slime, so what does that tell you? Alright, so surprise, surprise, the Lush bath bomb definitely did slime. I would say it didn't slime all the way though because I couldn't get a lot of the chunks to kind of combine with the slime, but most of it definitely did, and it did kind of activate my slime in a way, so it was a little bit harder and more stiff than what I started with, but I would definitely say that the bath bomb did slime. Now let's get into some food, honey. We are gonna test out this Dr. Pepper cotton candy and see if this baby will slime. Who knows? Let's try some of this first. Can I just say that it did not taste anything like Dr. Pepper or even like cotton candy. It just tasted like packed sugar. It was very weird. Alright y'all, so for this one I'm going to be sacrificing one of the prettiest slimes that I own. This one is a really pretty clear slime with a bunch of glitters in it, topped off with a cloud slime. There's even a cute little rainbow unicorn charm in there, and I'm so sad that I had to give it up. I mean, look at the clarity of this slime. It is just gorgeous. Sadly, all things do come to an end, so I had to add in the cotton candy, and it was as hard as a rock, let me tell you. It was very weird to mix in. Yeah, it was at this point that I drew the conclusion that Dr. Pepper cotton candy does not slime. In fact, it does the quite opposite. It will melt, and the cotton candy turns like rock hard for some reason and won't even like mix into the slime. It's so weird. It's such a weird sensation that went on. Yeah, that's really all I could say. Don't ever put Dr. Pepper cotton candy into your slime. Alright, Oprah's gonna love this one because it's all about the bread, honey. We love bread around these parts here. So I have white bread and a slice of wheat bread as well. And we're gonna test it with orange chili pop, which is a slime in my shop right now. So you can head over to the link down in the description box below if you want to snatch it. It is a jelly slime. So I thought, what better way than to do like a little jelly sandwich type thing. So I went ahead and took the slime, put it in between the two breads here, and got a little jelly sandwich. It was just so cute. I didn't even want to mix it, but obviously it's like real food, so kind of had to. When I started to mix the bread into the jelly slime, I was like, yo, this is actually gonna slime. Like, nothing's gonna happen. It's not melting at all. I thought that if it would melt, it would just melt instantly. You know what I mean? Oh, how wrong I was. This baby melted like crazy. It was sticking to my hands. I even tried to add a little bit of activator, and that just did not help anything. I feel like the activator was just being soaked up by the little bread particles, and it wasn't even like being distributed into the slime. It was just like the weirdest thing ever. I would definitely say bread does not slime. Alrighty y'all, well that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know if you want me to do a part 2 to this video, and let me know like what items you want me to test to see if they slime, and what type of slime you want me to add in, like what type of texture. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!